Hello guys, in this video we're going to look at how to express the following time expressions correctly. It is time, it is about time, and it is high time. If you just want to tell somebody that it is time for him or her to do something, then you simply have to say, it is time for us to move on. It is time for us to continue the lesson. It is time for us to go to school. These expressions are quite simple. But if you want to give an advice to somebody, or you want to tell somebody that it is time for them to do something soon, then you have to use the idiom, it is time we, then you bring the past tense of the verb that you want to use. So you can say, it is time we had the party. It is time we relocated to a new place. It is time we finished our homework. It is time we brushed our teeth. Again, if something should have been done already but has not been done yet, then you have to say it is high time we relocated to a new place. It is high time we left for school. It is high time we brushed our teeth. Moreover, if you think something should happen soon or should have happened already but has not happened, then you can say it is about time plus the past tense of the verb that you want to use. So you can say it is about time we relocated to a new place. It is about time we brushed our teeth. It is about time we did our assignment. It is about time they came here to apologize. Did you enjoy this video? Subscribe below.